Hi guys, welcome back to Wagwan Tours. We're here in TSILIVI Zante, Greece. Let's see Wagwan, you know the vibe? So yeah, just taking a walk. It's kind of like 2 in the afternoon. Thought I'd take a little walk. Lost Sabrina. She's down on the beach. Making some beach vlog. Gonna meet up at Tom and John's. Have a little beer, have a little chill out. Hold on, give me 1 second, I need to, oh no, yeah, actually let me change it around 1 second. There we go. Alright. So you got Binacles. Hello mate, you alright? So you got Living, and you got Binacles across there. You got Ideal here. Ooh, a little bit windy today. A little bit windy. What's this one called? The Brothers. So you got Brothers across there. We're going to take a left. Go up to where Popeyes is. Actually no, we're not going to go Popeyes. I'm going to go past there. And we're going to do that for another vlog. We're going to go left. Have a quick look. So this is Scoops. Scoops just here. I don't know if you can see because my ND filter's on. Nav it on manual. But this is Skidoland. I think you can about see that. But yeah, I've got little pay machines there. And behind me over there you got Popeyes. So yeah. Like I said, I think this resort looks really good at night. Not bad in the daytime obviously, but like spectacular at night. Skin was really hurting my arms, so fucking heavy. Yeah, plenty of souvenir shops as normal. So we're coming up to the one and only. What's it called? I think there's Mexican food last year. See? Lovely. See a deeper in there. Then we've got the spa. Not too bad in the spa. I actually think the prices of food in the shops got right up really high. I mean, just bacon was around about €3 if you want enough slices. But yeah, look, you've got the spa there. Got Majestics in the corner there. Got Majestics in the corner here. Go on. And then you've got across there a little ice cream one. The Majestics. Escape on the corner. So we'll be out tonight filming one in the evening and one after 12. See if it's busy or not after 12. Obviously the pavement disappears when you're in Greece. You okay? Get a mirror. So this way we've got to cross over the road. Get everyone in the van. Woo. Wow, we're never getting across. We're just going to walk out. We're going to go. Let's go. Never going to. It's going to take forever. So you've got jokers here. This one's going to be the late bar. Again. Camera's really dark in the dark areas, so sorry about that. Euros. So yeah, it's getting quite busy on the island now. Just coming into May, mid-May. So everyone's just turning up. And this is like a school bus, God knows. Looks like it. I haven't seen a school coach before. So you got Zorbas over here. So you got Zorbas there. Let's keep going round. You've got family who just stay on the right. Across there you've got the hub. You've got Calypso on the corner. Looks really nice, doesn't it? You've got Paradise here. Cocktails. I haven't actually been out at this area, up this part. I normally stop at Joker's. Hey, this little bike. That's tiny. My big toe's bigger than that. I've got an extremely big toe. Anyone that knows me. So up there you've got the Getaway, obviously hotels. Look at this one, really nice. Really nice. And obviously you lot can all pronounce that word. So you've got Estia. Again, really nice.
Thank you.
I'm gonna go walk a little bit up here a bit more. I've got to head backwards. But yeah guys, if you can like, share the video to anyone that does come into Zante. Chinese restaurant here. Hello.
Hello, we'll be famous.
You're gonna be.
Take picture with me. Chinese Cantonese.
Have a good day, mate.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. So yeah, Chinese Cantonese restaurant with Chinese Cantonese people. So you've got this one here as well. This fish, dinner fish. Like I said, I feel everything's gone up in price in the shop. Really expensive for everything. I'm not going to lie to you guys. Everything was expensive. So I don't know if they just got the prices up now, they're going to lower them, or, you know, because it's just coming into season. But I expect it to be a little bit cheaper than what it was. Like bacon, £3. You make about 6 slices, maybe less. Eggs were, was that €3 I think, just under €3. Whoa, that little bird, I thought someone ran into me. So check out this place. Really nice. What's it called? I can't read that name. Yeah. But I'm gonna end this one here guys, so check them stairs out. Where does that lead to? It's not for me. Not for me. So you got Zakynthos here. Zakynthos car bikes. But yeah guys. Ooh, where's that going? There he is. If you can like, share, comment, share the video to anyone who likes the videos. I'll catch you on the next one.